how to steal like an artist and get real inspiration. Ladies, welcome to day 4 tutorial for the 10-day Reels Blitz. I'm Katrina. Today I'm talking about stealing like an artist, which means how to take inspiration from pieces of art that already exist and generate your own ideas, your own momentum, and your own reels. I advise you to keep notes as you're doing this. I like to handwrite things, but you could also keep notes on your phone in a Google Drive so that you can refer back to these later when you are batching. So take some time to scroll through reels that come up on your phone and find ones that are trending. So find reels that have a lot of views and a lot of likes, and take down some ideas. Oh, I could do this, but instead of at the beach, I'm in the forest because that's near my house. I could do this except instead of a journal, it's my book. I could do this instead of their website, it's my website. So start getting creative and thinking about how, okay, I could take what they've done and redo it for myself in my own way. And that's what art really is, right? There's no original art anymore. There's no original movies anymore. There's no original storylines anymore. We just take things that have existed and twist them into something new and something different and something that expresses us. So scroll through, take some notes, and that way you've got an inspiration bank. The other tip I wanted to share with you today was the remix tool. In Instagram, as you're scrolling through people's reels, for me it shows up, I'm not sure if maybe if you have a different phone, I have iPhone. For me it shows up if I click there's 3 little dots, which always indicates there's a menu. So down the bottom right hand side when you're scrolling through other people's reels, the 3 little dots, I like that I'm doing this, the 3 little dots. The 3 little dots, click on that and that'll bring up more options. And there's one option that says remix, and there you can remix straight away. So you can you've got 2 options there. You can take the existing reel that you like and then pop yours beside it, or you can let theirs play first and then yours will play after, and you can kind of use their style as inspiration. The remix tool's super fun. I haven't actually done too much with it yet. I've done one, like a similar one, and then deleted the first one. But I've seen some really cool ones where people are just watching someone else's and then just filming their reaction to it. Watching someone else's and then recreating their own. Watching someone else's while maybe doing their own funny version, like humorous version of it. So there's heaps of ways you can use the remix tool, and it's a great way to piggyback off a reel that's doing really well already, something that you really like, an idea that you know has worked because it's already got traction. Use other people's ideas and put a little spin on it and make it yours. And most of all, have fun with it, play and enjoy what you're doing, because like I said in previous tutorials, this energy that you have about being excited and enjoying what you're doing with the reels is going to come through the screen to other people when they see it, even if it's well after the time that you've made it. A short and sweet tutorial today. Learn how to steal like an artist, gain inspiration from others, make a list of what you think is inspiring, and that gives you ideas. So when you do sit down to make reels, you're not blocked, you've got a list of ideas there, and play around with that remix tool and see what you can come up with.